ENOC, this is more of a recap than it is a live trade. And the reason for that is I had about 15 minutes of the live trade, but for some reason I went to process it and it just wouldn't process. I got an error message. So I went in on this. I traded this twice today. One win, one loss. So I went in on this stock earlier today, right around this time at 595. Actually, it was about right here. So went in, and the idea with this is that it already put in a new high of the day, right here about 10:15, and my thought was, okay, push to 6, blow through 6, quick scalp 10 cents. But instead, what happened is it got up to 6, and then it just fell right back down. So at that point, I got scared. I was like, okay, you know what? It's not going to go. It's done. It's up already like 40, 50%. The move is over. I'm out. And it was about 10:30, and that's for me usually about after an hour. I usually try to get out of trades because after the first hour things start going sideways. So I bailed out, and in hindsight what I should have done was just held on, and the reason being is that the stock was well above the VWAP, which is an indication that it is in a bullish trend. So it was also right there at that 9 EMA. So bailed out, took a loss. Right after I took the loss, started coming back up, got back up to the 595 and just blew through it. So really missed the opportunity there. And what I need to do is just be more patient and just let these trades set up, especially when I'm trading after the run up. So I went in on this, after an hour after the open, which I normally don't do, but this one had a lot of volume. It was halted, a lot of eyes were getting in on it. So I wanted to get a little bit of it. So let it kind of just bounce off the 650 level for a little bit. It's holding as support. So I shorted it at 635 and then just kind of waited. Dropped a little bit, and then it came back up and it hit that 650 level again and just couldn't hold, and then it started to wash out, and I covered into that wash for a nice little gain. I only had 400 shares because I really wasn't sure what it was going to do. Made about 60 bucks on that last trade, about enough to cover the loss on the first one, so not too bad. Just want to remind myself that the next time I'm trading a stock, it's well above the VWAP, right there at the 9 EMA. I need to just chill out and just let the trade develop. And that's it. Thanks for watching.